Hi, I'm Tori, and today I will be teaching you how to add a drawing log manually on Sage Construction Management. Here I'm starting on the home page and I'm going to go to Projects. You can select from this list or select the hyperlinks below. Select the project that you need to add the drawing log to. Scroll down to Project Library, click Drawings, and in the right over here, go to Actions and Add Manually. So here we can drag and drop files or select files. Okay, now since all the files are loaded in here, please remember if you put in a zip file, it's not going to work. If you put in an entire file that has multiple drawings, you are able to separate those here. Click Next, and this will put drawing numbers and titles in automatically for you, but you are able to change those if you would like. You here need to add the disciplines. Now, if these drawings had multiple pages, we are able to burst them. All right. Now, since we have all of these drawings put in, we are going to click Create, and these may take a minute to upload. So here it's going to show that you didn't add any drawings because it's still uploading. You're going to refresh and some of the drawings are going to pop up. They're going to pop up one by one. It's going to take a couple minutes. I would give it 5 minutes and then come back. All right. Now, once all of your files are loaded, you have now added all of these drawings, the drawing log manually. You can edit these as well. Edit their title, their number, and the discipline if you need to. You can also go into them and you are able to download them or add other files in each drawing detail, and you can link existing. And that is how you manually add them.